What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Honestly, alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, if you feel any pain at all, check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor, and make the doctor come at you if you have the money. Don't worry yourself if you don't have the money. One of your family member is going to come and check on you. Guys, wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do some wellness check for your friends and family. And please, guys, domestic violence is getting from bad to worse. Yeah, man, domestic violence I get rough, it I get bad. Walk away now, man. Walk away, man. Walk away from trouble if you can. But if you cannot, look out for help. Ask somebody to help you. If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday to you. Now, guys, today I want to talk about a 13-year-old, young 13-year-old Jamaican Excelsior High student is now in coma in the Kingston Public Hospital after being stabbed in a domestic dispute. Guys, we're going to talk about this. We're going to read out the information and what is going on. A 13-year-old student of Excelsior High School is in critical condition at the Kingston Public Hospital after she was stabbed while attempting to break up a domestic dispute in the Bayshore Park near Harborview, St. Andrew on Saturday night. Listen, she was trying to break up it. She was trying to part the two individuals. But who was the two individuals? The teen, Camelia Paul, remains in a coma as doctors prepare for another major surgery to save her life. Her mother, Josephine Mitchell, is now urgently appealing for the public assistance to obtain costing medical supply needed for the procedures, as well as blood donors. People, if you can donate, if you can go give blood, please go and help this 13-year-old. Maybe she's the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. You never know. A man accused of carrying out the attack, identified by relative as Kemar Mitchell. Now, if you listen to what the lady name is, Josephine Mitchell. This guy named Kemar Mitchell. The father of the injured girl cousin child is still at large. The father of the cousin child is still at large. Police have intensified effort to locate it. Report indicated that the incident occurred shortly after 10 p.m. on May 9th, when the suspect allegedly went to a family home and launched an attack on the mother of his child during that heated dispute. Family members say a restraining order. Well, do you hear what is going on? There is a restraining order on this individual as filed against him due to alleged abusive behavior. So this is what I'm talking about. This is why I always talk about this. Abuse is not a joke. Abusive relationship will always be a problem. During the altercation, Camellia and another relative reportedly stepped in to separate the pair. My daughter and another relative tried to break up the fight and push him off, her mother recounted. The teen said she suddenly felt a blow in her abdomen, only to realize moments later that she had been stabbed. She collapsed shortly after, bleeding heavily. The attacker then reported the attempt to assault another relative before fleeing the scene. Residents chased him, but he managed to escape. Since the incident, Camellia have remained unconsciously in the hospital. Listen to me. She in the hospital in a coma. She haven't speak or spoken or talked since. Her mother said emotionally she cannot eat. She just lying there. Doctor performed emergency surgery on Sunday to control several internal bleeding. However, subsequent scan revealed extensive damage to her liver. Jesus. Guys, don't hear that. Her liver is damaged, prompting to the need to another surgery operation. Michelle explained that she have been asked to source. Now they need special surgery equipment, included an ENBO GIA handle, vascular, I can't call that word so proper, vascular reload, and uh, guys, this is serious. They need a LigaSure device. That's not an easy surgery, and that's why they need that device. Go look up that device. Item, she said they are far beyond her financial reach. The first surgery was to stop the bleeding, but after the CT scan, they realized that the left side of her liver is badly damaged. Guys, the mother in need, she's currently have, listen this how this good. She currently have 70,000, but noted that the single piece of equipment can cost nearly 100,000. It's life or death now, she said. Guys, this lady also said, she's my firstborn. She's only 13, Michelle said. She worked hard, pass her exam, and get into school she want, and know this. Guys, hear what me I say. Listen to what me I say. Operation help this lady. Yeah, man. Operation help this lady. I do not know if this lady have any where you can. Okay, guys, there is a number. There's a number if you're willing to contact this lady. Person willing to assist her can contact her, and I go put the number on the screen. 876-590-7998. Yes, 876-590-7990. Guys, we have to stop this domestic violence. We have to stop it, man. This is a young 13-year-old ready to live her life. She passed her exam. Her mother said she passed her exam. She had to do everything to go to school to make her life a better life. Help help her, no man. Instead of you stab her, walk away, no man. Walk away from trouble. Now the police is asking for you to come in. If you see this video or any family member, the police say you must come in. And we go listen to this. Guys, this video won't be long because this is a video need to go out right away so people can help. All of, listen, real talk massive, all of the massive them out there. When you see this video, if you can help this young lady, help this young lady. Real help this young lady. And guys, I am going to contact this lady and see what can be done for this lady. She need help. She need the help and she need it now. Make we help this young lady. Make we put together and help this young lady. I'm going to use this video to help this young lady. So I go post it. So guys, go out there and help this young lady. Domestic violence is not a problem. As a matter of fact, it is a problem. I'm out.